Let's get into this tutorial on how to do finger coils. These also can be considered starter locks. I made this video for my daughter, so shout out to Moon 8 Girl 7. I love you, princess. Okay, so we need some hair ties. We will be using the extreme gel, which is on the left. We're using a detangler, and we will need a parting comb. So we'll use the silver part of that orange comb. This is the state of my hair as we begin. I did take out some braids the night before. I briefly combed through it. Okay, to start, we're going to make a part from ear to ear. This is from the back. It doesn't have to be straight. We're really going for natural parts here, the natural look. So once you got your part, you'll have to detangle it. And then now that you have a rectangle size part, like you just want to feel that it's like a rectangle back there of worth of hair, like a rectangle block of hair. And then you'll separate a square of that hair, and that's about as thick as maybe your pinky, maybe your pointer finger. And then you're going to put gel on that entire piece of hair. And to start the coil, we're twisting from the root of the hair, and we're gliding down, and we're twisting from the root of the hair, and we're twisting towards the face as we glide the finger down. So let's do it again. Twist towards the face as we slide our finger down and twist and twist and slide until we get to the end of the hair. And we want to twist until we get like a nice tight coil.
Can't stop you. Yeah, we flow. Yeah, we flow. For a moment. For the moment. All brand new. I hear that.
And so we're twisting and sliding down, twisting and sliding down. And again, we're going to go back in and twist and slide until we feel that the coil is completely uniform. If it is kind of chunky or thick, you can always go back in and twist and slide and twist and slide down the hair until it's tighter and not as fuzzy or thick. And it's best to do that while the gel is still wet. Even though you can twist your hair as it dries, or as it is dry, it'll just take a little bit longer to tighten it up. So I'm going to do this bottom row, and I will come back to show you when the back half is done. We're on to the left side of my head now, and I'm doing the twist now with my left hand with the assistance of my right hand, and I'm twisting them towards my back. On the right side of my face, I twisted them towards my face, but now I'm twisting them towards my back. It just makes sense for my left hand to twist that way. And so basically all the twists on the left side of my head are twisted to the left. Yeah, the twists on the left side of my face are twisted towards my back, and the ones on my right are twisted towards my face. And I even noticed my bang pieces, like the twists that are laying on my forehead. Yes, the ones on my left are twisted towards the back, and the ones on my right are twisted down towards my base. Okay, you can see that the back is done, and we're now on to the sides. To part, I definitely did ear to ear in the back, and then on the sides I did part from my ear towards like my eyebrows, towards my eye, and you can see that I parted that. I wasn't really focused on straight parts again because I just wanted natural parting. I did make sure when I got to the top I did do a middle part, so I sectioned that part off when I seen that the top was getting smaller. And so you can see here that I'm almost done. I was very happy. I do like the outcome. It is so amazing. And I only have 4 parts left, or 4 twists to do. and then I'm done. I really like this style. It did take about 4 to 5 hours. I definitely watched a couple movies. I definitely sat down, and then I got back up to record and to, of course, part my middle part. And sometimes, just to help me detangle, so I wouldn't like brush my other coils. Next, after this, I'm going to show you a style that I did, and of course, I'm going to do a tutorial on how I did my baby hairs, so I'll be back for that.
This would be hitting different. I stayed around for you. Day and night I spend the time with you. In the right and the wrong. You know I stayed under.
Okay, so if you want to know how to do your baby hairs, you're going to want to get a nice gel. This gel was actually good. Like, it dried in good time. Like, I would say use like any type of small hairs. If you want to use some hairs that are a little less, light or thin, then you might need a thicker gel. But if you're using these fine hairs on your head, then just put some gel. And the best thing you can do to start if you're a beginner is comb your hair like a straight line, comb it straight towards your eyebrows, and then go for a swoop. Again, this gel was really nice. It dried kind of fast, and it was very nice. Like, yeah. And it was easy to wash off also.
Stayed around for you.
So, like I said, I'm using my fingers to actually pull the hair down, so I don't have to do too much combing, and I can just go for a straight swoop. And I'm watching a movie here, so that reaction is definitely for the movie. So here, let's go for a nice swoop. And I'm using a mirror here. Definitely you want to get close to the mirror so you can see. Again, I'm watching a movie. This movie was funny, and I guess kind of controversial or dramatic, hence the facial expressions. So yeah, and you will get better. So just trial and error. Like, you do want your hairs to actually, I'm combing them so they can all go the same way, so they look like they naturally curve into a swoop. You want to comb them so all the hairs go that way. And like I said, the more you do it, the better you'll get. The more you'll know how you like your swoops to lay.
Who are you? 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 Who are you?
Okay, so this is a finished product. I love it. Look how uniform it looks. Look how they just match up. Like, trust the process. It just goes. It looks very nice. This is my go-to style. I'm always going to want to pin up one side and let the other side down. But I also like to go for 2 ponytails. I just use a bobby pin, but I would definitely go for a rubber band. Now, I was playing with this style while my hair was still wet. So you can see I would definitely wait until the locks are like the twist or I keep calling them locks, twist, coils. It is what it is. Yeah, I would wait till they're dry, because as you twist them, they'll naturally dry laying down, and then you can play with them and put them up so that they'll naturally fall back down straight. So you'll see here that after that style, I have to twist them back down straight. So just wait unless you have to go somewhere. Well, thank you guys for watching. That is the end of the video. If you want to check out my music, it's on SoundCloud. I'll put it in the description. I love you.